back to Eliza's World. I'm Eliza.
I'm Leanne.
And today we're going to be doing some felting.
Felting. I've bought two felting kits which cost about £10 for the two. I think mine was £5.50 and Eliza's was £4.50. Eliza's going to be making...
Two llamas.
Two llamas. I'm going to be making a blue tit. So let's go.
Let's go.
Inside my box I have an assortment of wool, which is spun wool apparently. I have a little polystyrene blue tit and I have some needles.
What I have in my kit is two polystyrene llamas, a box where there's
felting mat.
Yeah, a felting mat with two needles, and I took out one of the needles already.
Yeah,
they're very sharp.
The needles are very sharp and they're barbed at the end, which you can just about feel the texture, so you have to be very careful with these.
So when you're felting like this, I think that you should have a parent supervising you, because this is very, very dangerous. And then we have some
accent colours and accessories.
Yeah. So this is like for the ears. This is for like the what?
The nose.
This is for the mouth. No,
nice.
For the nose to go like that. This is for the nose for some weird reason.
Okay.
And then these little black beads are for the eyes.
And I'm sure we'll too difficult one. Both of our kits come with some instructions. However, when I've looked at the instructions, there's no actual pictures to tell you what to be doing or how.
Yeah, so, and in mine it says separate the fell into portions suitable for each llama. It's already done.
Check. So Liza's already ahead of me. Mine was all in a bag all clumped together, which is fine. I've separated the blue because it says to take a section off for the tail, but I don't know how much it actually wants. I mean, the tail is like this big, so and then it doesn't even tell you kind of which way to lay your felt over, so I'm going for like the weave look.
I think we should just wing it.
Is that a pun? I'm alarmed at your puns. Let's get on with it. Let's have a go at making these. It's hard to break it up this way, but it's easy to break it up that way. And it doesn't say whether we should cut it or not. So what I think we should do is start at the bottom and put your fingers like that over it, and then that's it, just pop this bit over here, and then just keep doing that. Yeah? So you just very gently, not all the way through, but try and pull it out the same way as you pull it in, so keep the needle nice and straight, and that will help stick it up. See, it's already starting to stick in there. So keep your fingers like that on this hand.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, okay, I'm ready.
No, other hand. Because you're right-handed, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's it. And then very lightly just stab in and out, in and out. That's it. Keep the needle straight as you do it. Not too deep. That's it. And just keep going in and out like that.
Waiting for Dad to give it to me.
Sharp poke then.
Mom, you need to be more careful.
Oh, sorry.
Fold that over again. And I'm going to continue sewing.
Apologies first of all, Eliza felt quite poorly while we were recording this. She's got a sore throat, bless her. She's gone to relax for a little bit. She did manage to finish off her llama, which I thought was beautiful. I've sewed little beads on the eyes for it. And that's a very cute llama. And here is my Blue Tit. Now, I didn't really like how in the instructions the Blue Tit didn't have much detail, so I did get my Ardent Book of Birds and just get a little bit more detail for the tail and the wings. But for the first felted attempt, I'm quite pleased. I was very pleased with the stuff in the craft, however the instructions were quite sparse, particularly for something that wasn't as complicated as a llama. So we were both a little bit disappointed with the lack of instructions. We did watch a couple of YouTube videos which were 20 times higher than our crafting level, so I was really happy with that. In all, I would definitely buy some of these again. In fact, I will buy some of these again. I think Eliza enjoyed hers. Did stab myself with a needle far more than Eliza did. Caught herself once, but it didn't hurt. I caught myself several times, it didn't bleed. So it was actually quite a fun, very relaxing craft, especially on this dull and dreary bank holiday Monday. Well, it's Monday where I'm recording, but you'll see it on Friday. So we hope you enjoy this video. Give it a great big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Eliza's World. See you next Friday. Bye.